Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cooper and I'm a 25-year-old cash budgeter who's saving for the future, specifically an emergency fund and a school fund. And I'm also the owner of Purely Budgets over on Etsy, which you guys can always find in the description box down below. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. We are going to be playing my Sunday Savings Binder. If you guys are coming back, hey, welcome back. If you guys have been here before, then you already know the drill. But with that being said, this is my Sunday Savings Binder. I have 6 challenges in here. They come from a bunch of different shops. And I received all these challenges in a Happy Mail group that I was a part of for about 2 months. And I will kind of talk about it, how I play. So I do have a paper clip off to the side or connected to an envelope. That just tells me where I'm going to start off in this video. And then I have a D6 here, and I kind of go ahead and play in the way of the D6 lets me know how much each area gets. So if I roll a even, it's gonna get $2. If I roll an odd, it's gonna get $1. I kind of play until I no longer have cash in hand, and then I count everything at the end. So let's see what damage we can do. And I laugh about that because the last time I said damage on see what damage I can do, I threw my dice tower off the table. So I'm not hoping to do that again this time, but we will see where everything leads us. I do have spicy 5s in here, so I do play with $30. And at the moment, everything is only getting $1. So this might take us a little longer than expected because typically speaking, my Sunday savings is like my quick video. It's kind of like an in and out sort of situation. But yeah, so the second spicy 5 is about to be given out to, looks like number 5. But yeah, I hope you guys have had a great weekend so far. It is Sunday when you guys are seeing this. We should hopefully have decorated the entire house with Christmas decorations by now. I always say follow me over on Instagram, and that's kind of where you guys will get the entire scoop of my day to day. And you guys will see the Christmas decorations there. So we have finished on number 4 because number 3 was the last envelope to get money. So let's set all this off to the side and let's start counting. So number 1 is going to be from Tor's Cash Corner. This one did get a spicy 5 today, and we need, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm actually gonna take these $2. We will set them off to the side and let's mark this all off. So 6 in here. So we should have 14, and this is our first completed challenge for the month of November. So that's exciting. Okay, so we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 in here. And we will go ahead and put a brand new challenge in there at the end, which we will talk about. So this next one is in the 2 spot. This one does come from Agape Book Club. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have these seagulls, which are gonna be $4. So let's go ahead and mark off one of those, and then we can complete those because everything else after that is gonna be $1. So we should have $8 in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I think this one, so this one will save us 21. It's a little bit of an odd number. I try to keep challenges in like that even range of like ending in denominations of 2, but sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. So this next one does come from Toria's Budgets. It's her pool party. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's mark off another row of pool balls. And I don't know if I ever figured out what these were called. Are they called pool balls? Are they called billard balls? What are they called? I need to really ask. And really, I have somebody next to me that I can ask. But if you guys have watched my past videos, you know her and I do not have a great relationship, so I'm not going to do that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This one will save us 16. So we're almost there. Okay, so this next one is in the 4 spot. This one does come from Erica's Money Moves. We got 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna go ahead and mark off this second portion here for 3. This one will save us 15. So let's see, we should have 9 in here. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. and it's a tiny Christmas savings, which I'm fully funded for Christmas, so I will not be putting it towards my Christmas fund. This next one does come from Brit's Budgets. We got 5, 6, and 7. So let's go ahead and mark off this row here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I think those are the same color. I get really bad OCD when the colors are not the exact same. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in here. So this one will save us $20. So $9 more to complete this. And then the final envelope in here is going to be in the 6th spot. Let's see if I can grab it. This one does come from Agape Book Club as well. We got 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and complete this first column here with the 2, and we'll do the 1 as well. So in here, we should have 7, right? 7, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this one will save us 24. It's at the bottom, so that's why I didn't write it on the back. Okay, so now I have $2 in here, and nothing's close to being completed. So let me see what we can do with it. We could put it in there or there, but really, do I want to do that? Or there. You know what? Let's grab a challenge first, and let's put a brand new challenge in here. So this next one does come from Toria's Budgets. This one will save us 9. We're gonna put it in the 1 spot. I'm not gonna put the $2 in there because by the time we do, it'll be close to being done. Okay, so number 6 is the one that's gonna save us the most. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in here. We're gonna do $2 more. We'll go ahead and mark off this 2 space in the 2nd column. And now we should have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $9 with Agape Book Club. I love this challenge. It's very Victorian-esque, like that that Victorian era. But with that being said, that is actually it for today's video. Like I said, one of the quickest videos you guys will watch on my channel. With that being said, if you guys have stayed to this point, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. And with that being said, we'll see you in the next one.